Hi, my name is Randy Lowen. I've been with Flexo products for over 30 years, and today I'm presenting this two-part video on how to strip and wax a floor. Please refer to the list of required equipment before you start. Begin by clearing the room of all furniture. Dust mop the room to remove any dust and debris. Use a scraper to remove anything that's stuck to the floor. Tape the doorways to prevent stripper from seeping into unwanted areas. Make sure to place wet floor signs for safety. Always wear your safety goggles and gloves. Use a doodlebug and pad with tough strip to detail the baseboards and doorways. Fill the mop bucket with cold water. Add 1 whole bottle of Hyper Lift-Off to the mop bucket. No measuring is required. Apply stripper solution to the floor with a string mop. Do not wring it out. Work in small areas to prevent the stripper from drying out. Attach a black stripper pad to the dry block and install it on the floor scrubber. After the stripper solution has had time to activate, we can begin scrubbing with the floor scrubber. Do at least 2 or 3 passes to get the best results. When we are finished agitating the floor stripper, we can pick it up with a wet dry vacuum. Once the floor is dry and all the wax is removed, we have to rinse and neutralize it. We can use a neutral cleaner for this step. Make sure to rinse it at least 2 times. An automatic floor scrubber can also be used to rinse the floor. Now we are ready to wax the floors. Inspect the floor to ensure it is clean and dry and ready for waxing. Use a candy striped synthetic mop to apply the wax. Line the mop bucket with a garbage bag so you don't contaminate the wax that you put in it. Pour the floor finish directly into the mop bucket. Saturate the mop with the wax and lightly squeeze out the excess. Frame in the area to be waxed. Try not to exceed a 10 by 10 foot space. Fill in the area using an even S stroke. Always wait at least 1 hour after the wax is dried before you apply a second coat. Thank you for watching this floor stripping and waxing tutorial from Flexo Products. Please visit us at flexoproducts.com.